You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? In English, this name is normally said as Tatiana, Tatiana. Now, in other languages, like in Spanish or Italian, it'd be said more as Tatiana, Tatiana. Okay, so that's why some pronounce it more as Tatiana, with a clearer R sound at the beginning, but many in English pronounce it with an schwa sound, an sound. Tatiana, Tatiana. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.